Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily download the directions on the Google Maps. So, at first we have to create a destination, our final point. So we have to mark it. So let me, for example, drop up in here and tap directions. Here, as you can see, we have download offline maps. Get directions along this route, even when we're offline. So, we can't really download the direction asset as direction. We have only the area around our destination. So let's tap download, and now we have our offline maps being downloaded. And now you just have to wait, because I've selected very maybe not large area of Poland, but as you can see, it might take a while. Don't worry, it will take not that much time. And yeah, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.